Come in.
Hi, I'm Yel Saraporbo and I am here for bottle feeding and burping a baby. When the newborn discharged from the hospital, the nurse and doctors are going to instruct you on how much formula your newborn baby is talking at that time. I will show you a good position to feed your baby. Is upright position approximate 45 degrees. 45 degrees is a great angle during feeding. Uh, do not too upright like this. Don't do this. The right one is this, and do not too far down like this. Do not like uh, just like 45 degrees. Uh, this is the simple techniques in feeding baby. The nipple, you can turn it around, swirl it around, like this. If she's nippling, you can turn it around or swirl it around. You can take your fingers under the chin like this when she's nippling, uh, and also you can handle the cheeks for nippling. This is the chin and this is the cheek. You can handle. Sometimes baby getting sleep while nippling. To help the baby wake up again by doing this, undress them to change diapers if the diapers getting dirty, and then massage the feet gently and burping. Baby accumulate air in their bellies. Burping helps the body to feel comfortable. Some common position are putting your baby on your shoulders like this, and you can gently pat uh, pat or rub the back. Pat or rub the back of the baby. Another position of burping your baby in is you can rest your lap, sitting up like this, and lean gently, then rub or pat his back. Another technique, just laying down in your lap, then just lay in your lap like this. Then when the baby is laying down, rub or tap his back gently. Yes, rub and tap. Sometimes you notice the baby spit up during burping. It's okay. A lot of time air come out with formula or breast milk as well.